having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. Let's dive into some analysis on Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin, big moves right now, and pretty nice as well. We could see that we had a very nice move higher from 11,000, basically 11,800, breaking these lows here. So we're looking for actually these lows to be taken out. We just took them out very slightly, and look at the move that followed. So again, the analysis holds true. It's just unfortunate we didn't hit our target, but that's why we started layering our orders ahead of time, and we actually managed to get one of our orders filled, and now we're well in the money, right? So this pump has carried us much higher, higher than actually I thought we were gonna go. And so far, I think we have on the very small time frames, it's a possible impulse here with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're looking for some sort of corrective move. You can see the RSI is burning itself out at the moment. We could easily get another push up, right, over the weekend, or it could start a whole new uptrend, right? So this could have ended the cycle down, but I would like to see some follow through at the very least. So let's say the correction ends here, which it can, right? You can see it's pretty oversold on the 15. It's got some room to go on the 1 hour and 45 and stuff like that. But for now, this is a good place to start. Like we could have a 1, 2, and now you're gonna get a 3, 4, and a 5, right? And if you start blowing through past previous resistance, like 122 cuts through like butter, we make a new high and we pull back, then you're inside of this wave 3 now, right? And this is what we wanted to catch. We wanted to catch a 1, 2, 1, 2 of a 3, so a 3 of a 3, and a big move higher. That's what we're trying to catch right now. And this could easily kickstart the whole party, essentially. So let's see if we get it. Right now, we're getting a bit of a pullback. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and you need to pause and pull back here and there. So naturally, after such a big move up, some of these coins pump like 10% in a single day. So it's not too surprising that they're all red right now. A few percentage points, some of them more than others, right? FARC coins down 4%. But yeah, that's the way it goes. So we'll talk about a little bit more bearish analysis. It's been so much bullish talk today. Let's say this turns out into a, just because we ended with some divergence and not full-on capitulation on the larger time frames. Let's say, just for analysis sake, that this is some sort of A, right? We got an A, and then a B, and then a C. Then yeah, the target's still valid, and that's why I'm leaving it here, just in case it does some crazy thing like this, 122 again, and you rug pull, right? And then it's like a $10,000 crash in a day, 13,000. Then people start to panic, right, for real, and like the bull runs over. Then you get another reversal, but then you'll erase divergence. So keeping a close eye if anything like that is going to happen, because it can, right? Just because we had a good move today doesn't mean you discount all bearish scenarios. You got to look out for the bearish scenario. So right now this is still possible, but it warrants more upside, right? This would warrant another push higher. So if it's another push higher from these levels here, let's just say the correction's over, then you'd hit like 122, 124, right? And you'd look to see if this 3-wave swing is going to end right in this area. So you got to be careful for, like, let's just say from right now, 115. If this little correction is done, right, on the smaller time frames could be, and we head over to 121 to 124, but we get rejected right at like 121, and we start to roll over pretty dramatically, then this could be a 3. And you need to end with no divergence, right? You know what I mean? So you need to pump up harder and higher and harder, and you need to take out these highs. You need to erase divergence. You need to peak. You need a peak, right? You need to end with peak, 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 and like peak RSI, and then you can call it a 3-swing move. And then this Y is still in play, right? And you're not done, and you could easily make another low. But for now, it's a great move, a great day. Obviously, it's a move on news, and you can never trust news, and you just got to trade the chart. But we've been analyzing a pullback basically from 124, another leg lower. We kind of confirmed it at 118, and then now we ended up at 112. So we're still looking for more upside on the bigger picture, but I think the market is running out of time now. I think next week is going to be a pretty bullish week for the markets. I think this is a low probability scenario now, and the low could have already been struck with us taking out the lows here. But you never know. So daily time frame on market cipher looking good. You have a green dot right now, hasn't confirmed. 13 -3 on the dual band strength index. Let's see if we get any weekend price action to pump us higher. A 4-hour time frame. You still got red money flow. The momentum waves are pushing higher, but let's see if we can get some follow through. 1-hour time frame, unfortunately, still in red money flow. Even after a big pump like this, it wasn't able to cut back into the green just yet. I think the 30-minute you were in the green, but now you're starting to cut back into the red. The 15-minute you're still in the green. Actually, you're actually trying to form a bit of a low here, trying to stop this correction. I think it's pulling back a little bit. Could easily come back up to 117. So, don't be too bearish on crypto right now, guys. And the smaller time frames, you're starting to see some dip buyers. Take a look at the daily, 4-hour. Right, and again, guys, I post all of this analysis on Twitter too. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, this is my handle right here. Right, cryptomickey.trade. You could actually find the link in the description or on the main page of my YouTube channel, just clicking like about. And I actually post the analysis. Like I just follow up. Like, if you go back, I said I thought it was highly unlikely, but still holding long. I was already long, and it actually ended up playing out where we started coming down again. So this move actually did start coming back down. And yeah, so we'll see. I mean, I've had the 111 target for such a long time, and I mean, I still think we're going higher, regardless of whichever path we take. I think you should stay long, and that's just not saying because I'm long, but just because of what the analysis says. And the analysis says that you should stay long because what the charts are just saying. So yeah, 1-hour time frame, you got a little bit of selling here. After this pump, naturally we're going to take profit. 50-minute, you got a couple of green crosses, and on the 5-minute, you got some dip buyers. So that's it. That's all the analysis I'm going to give tonight. Have a great evening. And again, if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link is in the description. Again, I posted these trades in real time. Now the members are up a tremendous amount, right? Over 24% on this pump. All right, peace.